The National Weather Service in Northwestern City has issued a tornado warning. Hey, are you even paying any attention? For crying out loud, I am the goddamn emergency alert system. Your life depends on me. Until 3 o'clock p.m., you know what? Fine then. If you want to die, just pay no attention to me. Oh my god, it's coming right your way. See? You didn't even jump. Abandon all. Oops, I burped. Lucky you can't smell it. If you did, you'd be dying right now. Man, I have bad breath. But I'll continue anyway. Get into a nearby ditch now. I can see that you are not paying any attention whatsoever, so I can say anything I want. You'll never hit the TV set. I don't like you. That's sad, man. You are dead, but I'll carry on anyway. Seek shelter immediately if you are caught outside.